Hi, my name is Wayne Turner. Today I want to show you how we put a chimney liner in a cone. This particular cone here is an eccentric cone, meaning that the opening is offset to one side. And this is a pre-molded cone that we use. We offer pre-molded eccentric and we offer pre-molded concentric. Today we're going to focus on the eccentric. So we'll be putting a chimney liner in. This one does not use a gasket. It gets welded in. So the chimney liner is made out of Agru HDPE. And if we did our job right, the chimney liner is very snug and fits tight into the cone opening, which I think this one will do. So there, it's very snug. It goes in. After the cone liner is installed in the mouth of the cone, you brick up to the desired brick elevation. And then once you reach the desired elevation to support the manhole frame, you lay your bed of grout. And then you press this cone down in to land on top of the top brick. Apply a small bead of silicone or polyurethane caulking around the flange. Set your frame and cover on that, and then you're done. When we come out to weld the seams, if the liner runs long into the cone, our welding crew will trim the bottom of the chimney liner off so that the cone is exposed around the opening, and we will fusion weld the seam around the cone to provide a watertight seal. And that extends the protection of the manhole liner all the way up to the bottom of the frame and cover. And once we do that, you're done. Thank you very much.